Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So this operation will be quite useful if for some reason after customization of the camera your device and actually the camera did not work properly. So for example it freezes a lot and so on and so on. So you can try to fix the problems using the reset option. So first of all we have to enter the camera app, and I hope that you can see the grid lines which I've previously applied. It is because I would like to show you the actual visual evidence that the reset option will work. So since we are in the camera, it doesn't really matter if on which mode we will be. Simply tap on this settings icon in the right upper corner, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom. As you can see, we've got a restore defaults option, so let's tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so let's tap on OK. And we just got back to the camera. Here we've got actually the first evidence that the reset option worked, because whenever you will turn on the camera for the very first time in your brand new device, then it will ask you to have the access to the location. So this is the first evidence, so let me deny it. Okay, and second of all, we do not have the grid lines, which means that for sure we just removed the customizations and reset the camera settings. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera settings in your HUAWEI P50 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.